Hi friends, I'm Lily here again. I'm from Chennai and today I'm going to share with you about acupressure points. And some of you are afraid of needles. Acupuncture, oh, not me. But here is a gentle method of giving pressure on the same points on your body. So, what is the logic behind this acupressure? Some of you wondering, how is it possible you give some pressure and your pain is released? It's very simple. Okay. In the body, we have something called meridian system. It is a Chinese based concept. Meridians also called nadis. Through this nadis, the energy flows. From where does this energy flow? In the body, we have something called stream, spring. See, by nature, a river starts from a spring. Similarly, the meridian also starts from a spring. It flows, then it forms a river, then it reaches the ocean, sea. So, similar concept we have in the body. And in these meridians are connected with the organ system. For example, liver has a meridian, heart has a meridian, stomach has a meridian, and there are also points on this meridian system. They are called 5 elements points. See how these 5 elements are connected to this meridian system and the functions of the organs. For example, what is the nature of the 5 elements? Fire, heat. Don't we need heat in the body? Yes. Look at the heart. You need heat. You see the blood. You need heat. You need digestion, heat. So, heat is needed, but not too much of heat. Too much of heat will create problems. Less heat also will create problem. That's why you find some people telling, please switch on the fan. I feel too much of heat. So, by nature, their body is very, very hot. Some people will say, I'm feeling too cold. Please switch off the fan. Because their body has a cold as a nature. So, these 5 elements have an influence on our body organs, functions of the organs. So, whenever there is a imbalance in the functions of the organs, you only need to massage these points. So, the concept is very simple. Remember our instinct. For example, you have headache. You massage that point, that area, and after some time you feel nice. You feel very soothing. I feel very nice. It is because when you had headache, the message which has gone through the peripheral nervous system to the brain indicated there is a pain over there, discomfort. So the pain hormones are secreted. Now, when you massage, the different sensation is sent to the brain, which releases pain relief hormones. So, this plays the same logic in acupressure. For example, you have problem with the liver. There is a point which is connected with the liver, which is the energy block is over there. So, you stimulate, you just massage that point, and the energy block is released and there is a smooth flow of energy. So, when the energy is balanced, you also experience the good health of that organ as overall good health. So, there are number of points on the body. So, you are stressed, you have sleep disorder, you have health issues, or you don't have good memory, you don't have peace of mind, for everything acupressure can be used. So, I will teach you one point. For example, the point here, it is called LI4. So, the LI4 point is, see the thumb and the index finger, it is in large intestine meridian. So, the large intestine meridian flows like this and goes downward. So, next to this bone, in the same line, at the end of this bone, in between center, take between the muscle and the bone is the point. It's called LI4. Now, first you locate the point. Then you give a gentle pressure, and you know what happens when you give pressure and you give massage, you will feel the energy flow throughout your body. Very beautiful. Remember, many of our health issues are caused due to stagnation of blood, stagnation of energy, even the lack of movement in the body, of functions of the organ, the brain, every system in the body needs energy to move. So this point helps you to have the movement in the body, but not for the pregnant women, because if they do this, they may have abortion. So pregnant women should not do this. Apart from that, everyone can do this. So this point also is a distal point for the face, for your ears, for your eyes, nose, skin, mouth, teeth. So imagine, by massaging this point, you can also help yourself for the tooth problem or for pimples or eye problem. So similarly, this is good for the pain all over the body, any part of the body. So like this, we have many more benefits of this point. So dear friends, make use of this opportunity. You are in Chennai, you are welcome, or you can contact me through the phone calls also. I teach you these points based on your health issues. So you can help yourself, and there are no side effects. Remember, working with the energy is one aspect of helping yourself. It doesn't mean that only taking medication will solve all your problems. Sometimes your problems are due to stress, tension, or even the energy block in the energy body. So, adapting yourself by treating this energy system, you are able to help yourself better. So, if you need my help, you are most welcome. Thank you.